Hey, what's going on? FoldAR here. Wanted to go over the variations that we offer on the website. First one I'm going to show you is period point blank. No nothing. No other way to compare it. This is the smallest AR in existence. This is a 511 Moab 6 bag. I'm going to unzip this bag and I'm going to take out my SCW. This is a 9-inch 223 currently, maximum defense SCW. This is the brace. We also offer it in an SBR variation. Pull that out. But also in this bag would be a 20-round magazine and an SBR. That suppressor there. That is a very, very efficient weapon to fit in that bag. Let's move on to the next one, shall we? Our next most compact version. Yes, this is a 50 caliber ammo can. That is my double fold. For anybody asking, yes, it will fire in that configuration with the stock folded. But there is that. I only offer this in a pistol variation. I do not offer this in an SBR. I also am offering complete uppers that will fit on any mil-spec lower that you have. I offer this in all calibers and all barrel lengths. That's going to be 9-inch to 16.5-inch in calibers of 223, 300 blackout, 6 arc, and 7.62 by 39. I also offer my barrel system the same way. All calibers, all barrel lengths. We'll get back to this in a second. But inside this bag, you will see that I have got a 9-inch SBR, fully configured with the EOTech, an AB suppressor, ready to do work. Let's go back to the barrel system now. This is a 9-inch 223. Let's say you want a 9-inch 300 blackout. Just that fast, that easy. Now you have a 9-inch 300 blackout. We're going to go back to that configuration. Show you this real quick. It's this pin. Push that pin. You just pull it out. Take that, stick it back in. Push it in. Now you're back to your original configuration of 9-inch 223. That's the fastest caliber change in the industry. There's nothing that compares to that. This is my 16-inch and optics already on there. Gonna unlatch it, pull it back, go there. Now here's what we get compared to all of the time. That right there. All right. The Law, Tactical are one of many other variations of folding stocks. There's no comparison in compactness right there. Any way, shape, or form. Let's look at that in the bag. There's the bag that this 16-inch optic ready will go into. There's that 16-inch rifle with optic. You got plenty of room for mags, plenty of room for your other stuff. So let's see if this folding stock variation will go in that bag. Doesn't look the same to me. Not even close. We also offer Cerakote. This is a 9-inch 223. This is the FDE. We offer it in OD green and sniper gray. It's a 9-inch 223. Got to unlatch it first. Folding up there. This one would even fit in your wife's purse. Is it efficient? Is it effective? Is it every day? No, but it would fit in there if you wanted it to. It will fit in this bag right here. That is the bag that comes with that variation of our weapon as well. We have that and a lot of other to offer at FoldAR.com.